Hello, my name is David, and I just finished my LISoM examination. What I can say about my examination is that it was very enriching. It was an awesome experience in the sense that it gave me a chance to build a show from the ground up. Like I didn't really have any rules to follow with my show. All I had to do was somehow, some way, create a show that I could present anywhere, an hour-long concert that was going to be my exam to opt for a licentiate degree. I really liked the part where I could contact my musicians, hire them, act as a producer, almost pick up what music I wanted to play, the genres I wanted to perform. It gave me a chance to explore multiple styles. It gave me a chance to perform solo for an audience before introducing my band to the show. Another thing that I like to be doing when I followed through this study course was that I was able to pinpoint my level as a musician to the point I now know where I stand, and I can also tell that there's a long way to go still. So the preparation for this final recital that I performed was quite extensive. It took me a year essentially, with lots of technical work and a lot of learning through the songs that were really challenging. So that's why I had to use two bands, so not everybody besides me had to learn the entire repertoire, and I could be the only person there that had to go through all of it. I had a few songs that are essentially technical work, like rudiments, orchestrate rudiments, go through different time signatures at once, all over through a song. And then I moved to more of a rock and roll or blues, even improv style of music with my first band that we played three songs, and then we moved to the jazz ensemble, a jazz quintet that I took to the concert. I had around four rehearsals with each band before the show, so it wasn't really that much. But I think part of being a professional nowadays is to be able to set up a show in the quickest time possible and do it correctly. I could recommend the Escuela Superior de Música in alliance with ISoM because it really took me through a musical journey where I really did learn a lot of things. I'm a drummer myself, but I learned a lot about melody, harmonies, even a lot of production. So I'm now like fluent musician in Ableton. I can produce my own things if I want, and all of those are things that I took out my education. I would not be where I am today if it wasn't because of me studying at one point in my life. So that really set the way for me to start building from there.